welcome to this video. I think you have been feeling quite dizzy. Have you realized that sometimes when you're like standing straight, you feel as if you can't balance, and you realize that this dizziness is actually causing you to not have a happy situation? Guys, I understand that sometimes vertigo is a condition that is really annoying. I mean, imagine you're driving and all of a sudden like you're dizzy. I actually know someone who struggles with vertigo, and it's quite the trip when they are traveling, when they are also driving. So of course, I do want to talk to you about Vertigenics, which is a dietary supplement primarily marketed for individuals who experience symptoms of dizziness, who experience vertigo and other balance related issues, okay? So before we move on and talking a little bit more about Vertigenics, I do want to explain to you just like really quickly, this is a supplement that is sold only on their official webpage, guys, because today it makes it a lot easier if it's only on the official webpage, a lot more secure as well. So I'm here helping you out, so I'm going to help you out a little bit more by also placing their official webpage link in the description box of this video. So it's a click away for you. You're so welcome. Guys, all right, so back to business. You see, Vertigenics, this product is often promoted as a natural solution, and it's here to improve your vestibular health, reduce the feelings of dizziness, and just supports your whole body's equilibrium. So it is presented as a blend of various herbal and nutritional ingredients aimed at addressing the root causes of balance disorders such as poor circulation, inflammation, and even inner ear dysfunction. Sometimes you are dizzy, guys, because there's an inflammation way deep in there. And I remember once I asked a doctor, I was like, what does our ears have to do with our balance? And he explained to me, and I was amazed, really. So Vertigenics is fantastic, and its ingredients include a combination of like fruits and veggies, which are herbal extracts. There are just a ton of vitamins and minerals that are also commonly known for their support in reducing that whole dizziness sensation and improving neurological and inner ear health too. So I do want to talk to you about some of their key ingredients, which I know are incredible, like ginkgo biloba. It's going to help you improve your blood flow to the brain and to your inner ear. And ginkgo biloba is often used to address symptoms of vertigo and dizziness. And of course, there is vitamin B12. This vitamin, it plays such a pivotal role in nerve function and neurological health. Like, the cool thing about vitamin B12 is that it has been linked to neurological symptoms, and it helps you to reduce that dizziness, that tingling, making its inclusion in this formula logical for supporting balance and preventing vertigo. And of course, DHA, which I'm not even going to pronounce that whole word, which is really, really hard. But this is just an omega-3 fatty acid, and it supports your brain and your nerve health. And guys, all the ingredients, as well as ginger root extract and more, all the ingredients you get in this formula helps you to target these points of dizziness, of vertigo, of balance as well. So Vertigenics works by addressing several potential causes of dizziness and balance issues. And these causes may include, like I said, poor circulation, some sort of inflammation, inner ear dysfunction, or even nutritional deficiencies. So by combining all these ingredients together, they target these factors, and they help you to heal them. So take your treatment with Vertigenics very seriously, which I know you're going to do, and you're going to have incredible results with it. But if you don't like Vertigenics and it's not working out for you, like you're not happy with it, there's a money-back guarantee waiting for you on their official webpage, okay? But do give it a shot. I know this is going to work really, really well for you. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day, my friends, and I'll see you next time. Bye.